y'all. In today's video, I'm at 2024 Cruisin the Coast, and I came across a very cool 1968 GMC pickup truck I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll check it out real quick.
Albert?
Yeah, Scotty.
How are you, brother?
Fine, and you, sir?
I am outstanding.
Good. Long time waiting. I've been watching and seeing a lot of you now. I get a chance to meet you personally and be involved in.
Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it's a 68 GMC. Started out as a daily driver. And once my kids got out of college, my wife asked me what I wanted to do. I told her I wanted to do a frame off on the old truck. And so that's what we done, and that's where we at with it right now.
How long have you had it?
I've been having it since 1994.
Wow.
Right, and I was driving back and forth to work and taking my kids to baseball and football practice, and they learned how to drive.
Oh, how cool is that? And
Yeah.
now it's a family heirloom.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
They won't let me get rid of it, man.
I don't blame them. I wouldn't get rid of it either. So was it just a truck out of necessity, or you knew one day if I start with this, one day when I retire, I can fix it up and make it into a hot
Well,
rod?
what it started out to be, Scott, I was really looking for a square body.
Okay.
And I was riding down the road.
Well, you got lucky.
And I saw this truck up against the house. And there was an older black guy sitting on the porch. And I said, "Sir, you got a truck for sale?" He said, "Yeah, son, what you gonna give me for it?" And I said, "Well, I don't want to hurt your feeling, and I don't want you to hurt mine. So you tell me what it's worth for you." So we went back and forth. I said, "No, sir, you tell me what it's worth to you." And he said, "Well, I tell you what, son, if you give me $400 and get it out of here today, you can have it." So I drove with my wife, Camaro. When I pull up at the house, she said, "What the heaven are you pulling with my car?" I said, "I had to get it."
So you had the Camaro, a chain or something?
Yeah, I
in
had
the
a
truck?
chain.
Oh,
I went by a
that's the
friend's
last
house.
time she loaned you her car.
Yeah. Yeah, I went by a friend's house. He got a chain, and me and him hooked up to it and pulled it to the house. And I wasn't real familiar with them because later on I found out the truck had the 283 original, the Power Glide. Day one, I snatched all that out because I had a 350 sitting in the garage that I wanted to put in or something. So I snatched it all out and gave it away. And that's what the guy said, "Man, you should have kept everything. It was all original truck." I said, "Oh, well, a little too late for that."
So you're a mechanic, or you've been around this stuff for a while?
I do mechanical work. Like the engine on that truck, me and my sons built the engine in the garage.
Oh.
And once the guy had the frame ready, he said he had a frame ready. We went and set it on the frame, and then he just built around it.
Right on. And who's some of the people that helped you?
Well, James Patterson, a guy out of Needville, Texas, he's 71 years old when he built this truck. He did it all by himself. And I had DTA Motorsport help me out with something with motor on it. And then Alamo Customs in Alvin, Texas, they've been doing some painting work for me on it lately too.
What color is it?
They call it a blood diamond. It's a blend, and I still to this day, everybody asks me, I got to call that guy and get the color.
Oh, so it's a custom mix.
It's custom mix.
Oh, wow, cool.
Yeah.
What about wheels and tires?
Those Fuchs wheels on there is 10-inch, 20 by 10s on the back and 20 by 8s on the front. So 20 by 11s on the back, I'm sorry. And we went as wide as we could without tubbing it because it's an older guy who built it.
Right.
And he said that was the 71st truck he built and the first GMC. He said, "I never see another 67, 68 GMC, so if I'm going to cut it up, take it somewhere else."
Oh, no
so
kidding.
That's the reason why it's basically an original truck.
But I think you did good on the stance, though.
Yes,
I think it's
sir.
a really nice cruiser driving stance.
We
right?
did a 2.5 drop spindles and 4-inch drop leaf springs.
Right on.
Yeah.
And then you said you put a 350. Does it still have a 350?
No, we
in
got
it
a small block 400 in it now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Nice. And what transmission?
We got a 4L80 by Monster transmission.
Boy, what a nice truck.
Yeah.
Anybody or anything about the truck maybe I'm missing? I forgot to ask, or any features you wanted to tell people about?
Well, yeah, I think about just about everything you can see. I just amazed myself how nice it turned out.
And you
I got
drive.
respect, and I drive.
Yeah, you drive. You're down here cruising the coast,
Every year.
and everywhere you go, you
Yes,
drive
sir.
and just
We
keep it
drive.
really nice.
Yes,
no,
sir.
Albert, what a beautiful truck, brother. Thanks so much for giving me some time today.
Yes, sir, Scott. I appreciate you too.
No, thank you.
All right.
So there you go from the 2024 Cruisin the Coast event. A very cool 1968 GMC pickup truck. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya.
Y'all make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit scottydtv.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.